We are on the official GitHub release page for Hermes Agent version 0.19. The Quicksilver Release, the page marks it as the latest release, dated July 20th, 2026. The scale line reports about 2,200 commits, more than 1,000 merged pull requests, roughly 300,000 insertions, 36,000 deletions, 3,300 closed issues, and more than 450 contributors since version 0.18. The opening paragraph explains the Quicksilver name and frame speed as the central theme. It says first turn time to first token fell by about 80% across every platform. Reasoning now streams live by default, and the desktop received a large performance overhaul. The same visible summary also previews terminal subscription management, password manager integration, smart approvals, live subagent transcripts, and a durable delivery ledger that protects finished responses after a gateway crash. Now, the first three highlight bullets are fully visible. Cold startup before the first model turn drops from about 4.3 seconds to about 0.9. The desktop speed wave targets expensive markdown rendering, giant review diffs, session switching, and unnecessary interface re-renders. The third bullet adds subscription and top-up flows directly in the terminal with pricing previews, scheduled plan changes, undo support, and a matching billing area in the desktop app. This stable view centers four highlights. The desktop speed wave reduces markdown, review diff, session switching, and re-rendering costs. Terminal subscription and top-up flows expose plan details and schedule changes. Smart approvals use an independent model review for each flagged command, while hard user deny rules still block it. The next bullet shows Bitwarden and 1Password secret sources, and the live transcript delegation heading is just entering at the bottom. Here the page continues from secrets into durable agent operation. Live sub-agent transcripts can be followed as work happens, and finished background results are restored after a restart. A delivery obligation ledger records final responses before a platform send, so a gateway crash no longer silently loses a paid turn. One multiplex gateway can also route servers, channels, or threads into isolated profiles with separate configuration, skills, memory, and secrets. New providers and frontier models begin at the bottom. This viewport finishes the highlight summary. A durable delivery ledger protects final responses after a gateway failure. One gateway can route different servers or channels into isolated profiles. Provider coverage adds Fireworks, Deep Infra, Upstage Solar, GPT 5.6, Grok, Kimi, Claude, Tencent, and LM Studio. Reasoning gains max and ultra effort with per model control. Session export begins at the bottom with Markdown, Quarto, HTML, trace, filtering, and redaction options. Here, the final reasoning and export bullets are fully visible, followed by the security hardening summary. The page then reaches performance, titled the speed spine. The first turn subsection begins with an approximately 80% time to first token cut. It attributes that reduction to moving Discord capability detection off the critical path, skipping Allama probes for no non-Allama providers, and removing blocking agent initialization work. This stable view shows the full first turn latency list and the start of the desktop speed wave. Beyond the dispatch reduction, Hermes caches prompt construction and time zone resolution, paints responses per token, and restores concurrency in mixed tool batches. The desktop work begins with incremental markdown lexing, virtualized large diffs, and smoother session switching. In practical terms, the agent begins answering sooner, and long review sessions spend less processor time rebuilding text and interface structure. The desktop performance bullets are centered on screen now. Incremental block lexing cuts, markdown splitter cost, review diffs are virtualized, and session changes avoid layout. Thrashing startup does less serialization, profile backends can pre-warm, hidden panes mount later, and model dialogues open faster, streaming avoids re-rendering unrelated sidebars and tool rows, while targeted database and file tree updates reduce repeated work. A repeatable benchmark harness replaces a collection of one-off scripts. The Everywhere Else subsection collects smaller speedups that compound across repeated turns. The terminal interface streams markdown block by block, skill discovery and snapshot manifests use caching and signatures, message preparation avoids deep copies, and provider metadata requires less repeated work. Updates can skip an unchanged node installation, dashboard payloads are smaller and paginated, and byte-stable gateway prompts preserve model prompt caching. At the bottom, the page begins the providers and models section with Fireworks and Deep Infra. This viewport is the providers and models list. It shows Fireworks cost estimation, hardened Deep Infra, Upstage Solar, GPT 5.6 across native and codex routes, and new Grok, Kimi, Claude, Fugu, Tencent, GLM, and LM Studio entries. Further visible bullets add request context controls, custom headers, provider hiding, bedrock context probing, and million token Kimi rows. The provider list finishes with configurable model routing, custom request headers, Claude Sonnet 5 metadata, optional provider hiding, bedrock context probing, and grouped pickers. Then the page reaches reasoning and mixture of agents. Max and ultra effort levels are available across supported routes. A unified resolver can choose effort per model, auxiliary task, current session, or advisor slot, while advisor output caps and fan-out cadence keep multi-agent presets from spending more reasoning than the job needs. Reasoning controls remain visible at the top, and the next block covers delegation, approvals, and the agent loop. Live subagent transcripts and durable background completion make delegated work inspectable and restart safe. Smart approval review remains subordinate to hard deny rules, and a denial reason can guide the agent toward a safer path. Delegation uses one concurrency cap, long provider weights are explained, and codex-backed sessions gain live toolcards, visible commentary, compaction recovery, and safer replay behavior. This view continues the agent loop details. A plugin hook can escalate selected tool calls to a human approval gate. Delegation status explains long waits and exposes tool output risk. Codex sessions show live tool cards, interim commentary, compaction, output truncation recovery, and usage resets. Oversized hook context can spill to disk instead of flooding the prompt. The lighter vibe reaction feature displays token-free floating hearts across the command line, terminal interface, and desktop. The secrets and config heading arrives below. Secrets and configuration are fully visible here. The pluggable secret source interface powers Bitwarden and 1Password. Hermes config adds get and unset commands, warnings for unknown root keys, deprecated key reports, and configurable timestamp formatting. Usage accounting records helper model work for each task, keeps Nous portal tags through delegated and mixture of agents calls, and writes a structured usage report for non-interactive runs. The next heading introduces session, export, compression, and resume behavior. The sessions block adds export to Markdown, Quarto HTML, prompt only, and trace formats, plus Hugging Face upload, redaction, filtering, pruning, bulk archive, and workspace-aware resume. Compression is designed to preserve human intent, durable handoffs, image references, and prompt cache stability. Routing and session metadata move into state.db, while exact API bytes can remain in a sidecar. The gateway, fleet, and relay section then begins with delivery ledger and profile routing protections. Gateway, fleet, and relay are centered here. Final responses use the durable ledger and inbound messages route through isolated profiles. Per-session leases prevent overlapping turns, resets, and readiness checks are more reliable. And model overrides survive restarts. Search, webhook routing, callbacks, and status reporting improve. Relay provisioning carries profile. Context and health signals, while failed hosted bootstraps can be reseeded. Messaging platforms begins at the bottom. The messaging section is fully visible. Telegram, Discord, and Matrix gain one-tap reasoning and fast mode buttons. WhatsApp adds polls, locations, richer metadata, and dashboard pairing. Discord improves reconnect recovery, generated thread names, timeouts, and administrator-only approvals. Slack can show the active tool. Telegram supports topic-specific allow lists. Google Chat uses cards. Voice can echo transcripts. Media keeps captions, and progress can move into a log. The Hermes desktop app heading appears next. The desktop section now fills the screen. Hermes moves to a data-driven layout tree and adds a unified capabilities page for skills, tools, MCP, catalogs, tests, maintenance, and logs. It can connect to Hermes Cloud, switch gateways, and choose a healthy terminal backend. The app adds clearer work trees, task status, grouped tools, project identity, memory and speech settings, endpoints, cron models, approval controls, scaling backdrops, and a journey graph. The desktop tree is fully converted to TypeScript. The web dashboard arrives beneath the last desktop bullets. It can switch memory providers, import sessions safely, pair WhatsApp, edit Discord toolsets, and clarify Telegram setup. Dashboard chat terminals reattach, heavy work can move to compute hosts, images can be pasted into chat, browser mode and topology are visible, and Hermes Serve can run as a true headless backend. The CLI and TUI section starts below with terminal billing, one-turn model overrides, and stacked/skills. CLI and TUI improvements are centered now. Subscription and top-up commands handle billing in the terminal. A one-turn model override reverts automatically, and multiple /skills can be invoked in order with autocomplete. Safe mode, uninstall dry runs, TLS hints, compact previews, and package warnings improve recovery. The TUI can refresh models and run skill bundles, while Hermes console gains a fuller read eval print loop and plugin discovery. The tool system skills and MCP heading follows. This viewport covers the tool ecosystem. MCP standardizes tool naming, logs, hosted OAuth, proxy callbacks, port handling, and Blender catalog support. Skills add broker opt-out hardening, Unreal and Blender support, humanizer patterns, and remote OAuth flows. Browser snapshots survive truncation, and computer use follows a verify before escalate ladder. Kanban improves task creation, project paths, results, panning, and guarded attachments. Cron gains durable audits, Mem0 setup improves, and image tools normalize codex inputs. Security and reliability begins below. The final tool bullets remain at the top, followed by security and reliability. Vertex credentials are resolved inside the profile secret scope and stripped from subprocess environments. A group of high-priority hardening fixes protects browser access, media anchoring environment files, and delegated transport. Local media, vision, and image generation reads pass through a shared credential guard. Webhooks gain request size caps and timestamped signatures, while redaction expands to fireworks and Telegram without confusing ordinary configuration values. The security list continues with sanitized computer use environments, stronger dashboard file guards, atomic OAuth rights, and protection against stale profiles. Continuous integration isolates untrusted references, runs real JavaScript and TypeScript tests, rejects regex substitutes, and opens autofix pull requests instead of writing directly to main Docker, and Windows installation paths are hardened. Anthropic clients, OAuth duplicate tool calls, gateway review, and memory extraction also receive targeted fixes. The reverted section appears at the bottom. The release notes explicitly separate what did not ship. Iron Proxy credential injection, dynamic workflow orchestration, and memory provider actions were reverted. The approval escalation hook was also reverted during development, then redesigned and restored for this release. Below that, the contributors section reports more than 450 people, the largest contributor window yet. The core team list begins by tying the main performance, durability, approvals, secrets, gateway, desktop, provider, and security work to named maintainers. The community section is not ceremonial. It connects individual names to concrete changes, such as Vertex credential scoping, MCP gating, Windows installation fixes, desktop stability, dashboard authentication, memory provider behavior, credential security, and gateway compression. That attribution matters because Quicksilver is broader than one headline feature. It combines latency work, desktop engineering, model support, messaging integrations, security review, and operational durability, with many fixes recovered from community pull requests rather than discarded. The community entries then tie individual fixes to concrete surfaces such as Windows, setup, MCP gating, desktop stability, dashboard authentication, memory behavior, and credential handling. The dense contributor list also explains the scale printed at the top of the page, roughly 2,200 commits, more than 1,000 merge pull requests, about 300,000 insertions, and thousands of closed issues since version 0.18. For an existing Hermes user, the practical takeaway is simple. Responses should begin faster, long desktop sessions should feel lighter, background and gateway work should survive failures more reliably, and secrets and approvals now have stronger boundaries. The long list is evidence of the release's scale. Many improvements began as community pull requests were salvaged and now appear in the release alongside core team work on speed, models, gateways, and security across projects and teams worldwide today. For a new user, the release also widens the entry points. The same agent can now be reached through more providers, more models, more messaging platforms, the desktop app, the dashboard, and terminal workflows, while keeping profiles and credentials better separated. That is the Quicksilver release from top to bottom. The official notes present speed as the headline, but the deeper story is a coordinated pass over responsiveness, control, durability, integrations, and maintainability across the whole Hermes Agent system. Overall, Quicksilver should feel faster and safer across everyday agent workflows and boundaries. The contributor role continues across the page. Seeing hundreds of handles in sequence reinforces why the release touches so many independent surfaces. Provider integrations, user interfaces, security boundaries, deployment paths, and operating system fixes all require different expertise. This part of the page is therefore evidence for the release's breadth. The headline speed improvement is only one layer, supported by a much larger set of maintainers and community authors working on reliability and day-to-day usability. More contributor names remain visible, including several maintainers referenced in the update bullets above. The important point is traceability. The release page connects technical changes to pull requests and authors, so users can investigate a specific provider, desktop, gateway, security, or tooling change instead of treating the notes as marketing copy. That makes this page useful as a real changelog and an ownership map. It also explains how a release with thousands of commits can still expose individual sources of work. We are reaching the end of the all contributors list. The release page keeps every credited name visible and then provides a full changelog link covering versions 2026.7.1 through 2026.7.20. That link is the path for readers who need commit-level detail beyond this curated summary. The visible structure is useful. High-level highlights come first, subsystem explanations follow, reverted work is separated, contributors are credited, and the complete comparison remains available at the end. The page closes with the full changelog link and the contributor avatar grid. From top to bottom, Quicksilver combines faster first response, a lighter desktop, broader model choice, controlled reasoning, durable delegation and delivery, profile-aware gateways, richer messaging, stronger tools, and tighter security boundaries. The final contributor view matters because all of those improvements were delivered as one coordinated release. That is Hermes Agent version 0.19, explained directly from its official GitHub release page.